Hi, good day. It's Roland of Rolweng YouTube channel. Into this video, we're going to talk about how to clear cache to improve the performance of your computer. So sometimes you experience some slowness in your computer. Your computer doesn't behave properly. There are some glitches. So we're going to do some deletion of the cache in order to improve the performance of your PC. So first, I already make a video for the delete of cache in Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome. So I will just put the link in the description, wherein I make a video for this deletion of cache or clearing of cache in your internet browser like your Microsoft Edge and your Google Chrome. So in this video, I will talk about other cache items that result in the slowness of your computer. So some of these cache items are hidden, and it it up of some of your spaces. So it up some of your space in your drive C. So we need to delete some of these other cache items in order to improve the performance of your PC. So just stick around, and if you are still new to this channel, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be updated of the upcoming computer tutorials that I'm going to make in this Rolweng YouTube channel. So stick around as we do on how to clear cache to improve the performance of your PC. Okay, so we continue the tutorial on how to clear cache to improve the performance of your PC. So there are actually 8 cache items that we need to undergo to clear those cache items. But please take note that most of these cache items are what we call the self-maintaining. When we say self-maintaining, they are automatically deleted by the Windows system by a certain period of time, or when they reach their space limitation. So but sometimes you experience some issue on this path. So we need to clear these items, not to wait anymore for those specific time to do the self-maintaining of those other cache items. Okay, so the first cache items that we're going to do is regarding the DNS. So what does DNS do in your PC? So DNS basically they are the one who is responsible for accessing some internet connection, your internet connection, or your accessing some internet site or server, or anything that is connected through network. It has something to do with the DNS. So in order to resolve this issue of your internet connection or your corrupted DNS cache, so we need to do the ifconfig /flush DNS. So to set this command, just type run in the search bar menu. Just type run and then type cmd, or go to the DOS prompt of the Windows operating system, and then type ifconfig /flush DNS, and then once you type that command, just press enter, and then it will say Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS server cache. So that is the first cache items that it has connection with the internet access issue that you are experiencing. So once that's done, so this one is the first cache item that we need to clear the cache. So we're done with the first cache item, that is the DNS, and then the second one is this cleanup. So just go here and type this and then cleanup. And then if you go to this screen, just click OK, and then it will calculate all those files that you need to delete or cache. So you might select which cache or files that you need to delete. So it's always safe to do this one, to do this clearing of this cache from your disk cleanup. So that that would depend on how long you done the disk cleanup. So sometimes if you done it like a long time ago, it would take time for the disk cleanup to run. But if you do it like once a week or twice a month, it will run it fast. It will run fast, so it will delete some of these files and then do the cleanup. So in my case, I'll just delete some of these files, recycle bin. So it's up to you what you are going to delete. So it's always safe to do this one. So okay, so once you selected some of these files to delete, just click OK, and then click delete files. So like I've said, it would depend on how long you done the disk cleanup. If it is a long time ago, it will run it long. But if you done it like twice a month or twice a week, it will run it faster. So in my case, I always run the disk cleanup, so it finishes at once. So that is the second other cache items, that this cleanup. And then the third cache items is what we call the Microsoft Edge Store. So this other cache items is something to do with the Windows Store. So basically the Windows, it has the Microsoft Edge Store. So if you know this one, so this is the Microsoft Store. So if you're doing some online purchases, so it stores some of the information in the store cache. So if we don't need this cache items, we can clear this cache item. So to clear this Microsoft Edge Store item, so again, just type run, and then type ws reset. So again, type ws reset and then click OK. So it will go to this screen, and then it will process the ws reset. So basically these are the items or the information in the Microsoft Store. So basically if you make some purchases online or in the store, Windows Store application, so it will clear some of this cache. So in this case, once you open the Microsoft Store, so it will run this store, and then you clear the cache from your Microsoft Edge Store. Okay, so once it's done, it will automatically open the Microsoft Store apps. So you can close that one. So we are done with the third other cache items, that is the Microsoft Edge Store, or they call it Windows Store Reset. Okay, so we're done with the third other cache item. The next cache items is what we call is the internet browser clear cache. So but basically I already make a video for this clear cache of your Microsoft Edge and your Google Chrome. So I'll just put the you can just click the button here in order for you to go to this YouTube video on how to clear cache on your Windows Internet Explorer, your Microsoft Edge, and your FIREFOX, and your Google Chrome. So I've done with this fourth other cache items. So the next cache items will be what we call the location cache. So basically, location cache is that it stores all the information that your application, where it need the location, so it store all those location in these cache items. So basically it get some of your spaces in your C drive, so we need to clear this cache also. So to do this, in order for you to go to clear the cache of your his or location, just go to start, and then go to settings, and then once you go to settings, go to privacy, and then when you are in the privacy, just go to location, and then go all the way down, and then there is the clear location history on this device. So just click this button clear in order to clear the location history on this device. So I'll just click clear, and then now, and then it will basically it will process faster, because if it is usually if you do the disk cleanup, this is actually part of those disk cleanup. So once you click the clear, it will clear all the location history in this cache items. So we're done with the PIF other cache items, so you can close this one. And then the other one is the deletion of or clearing or deletion, yeah, so I will say deletion of the temporary files. So there are actually 3 temporary files that we need to delete or do the clearing of this cache. So the first is we call the Windows 10. So to do this, just type percent and then temp and then percent. So then once you go to this folder, just click enter, and then it will go to this different files. So basically these are all the other cache items in your local drive that sometimes is eat up some of your spaces in your C drive. So this is, if you don't see this one, then it will automatically eat up some of your spaces in your drive C. So to do this, just click select all, and then click the delete key in your keyboard or your keypad. Just click delete, or just click this select all and then click delete, and then permanently delete these items. So it will ask you for confirmation. Just click delete and then continue. Okay, so we are now done with the first temporary files. This is one of the other cache items. So these are those information that sometimes eat up some of your spaces in drive C. If you're done, just click X and then click X. And then the other one is the temporary file in Windows. So just go to C drive. So go to C drive, go to Windows, and then go to TEMP files, and then these are temporary files that we need to do some deletions also. So again, just click select all, and then click delete, permanently delete, and then it will ask for confirmation, and then try again. If cannot be deleted, just click cancel, because sometimes those files are still being used by your system, so it will not be deleted momentarily. Okay, so we're done with the other cache items, the 2 temp files, and then the other one is what we call the prefetch. What is prefetch? Prefetch is a cache files of application information loaded in your computer. So basically this is what we call the self-maintaining files also, so it will be automatically deleted in a certain period of time. But then if you are having issue right away in your PC, so you can just delete this one without waiting for those specific time to do the self-maintaining or deletion of this cache items. Okay, so In order to delete the prefix, just type prefetch, prefetch should be tch. Okay, just click I will say we go to run first, run, and then type prefetch. Yep, prefetch. Okay, so these are all the different kinds of information that is stored in this prefetch folder. So basically this is what we call the just like I said, this is what we call the self-maintaining maintaining files or folder. So they are automatically deleted in a certain period of time, but if you're having issue right away, so you can do the deletion of this other cache item, which is the prefetch. So in order to do the deletion also, so just click select all and then click delete, and then permanently delete. So it will ask you for confirmation if there is a certain file that is still running, so it will not be deleted. So just click escape, and then it might there are some files that are still running, so it will not be deleted. So at least most of these files have been deleted already. Okay, so that's the other cache items. We have the temp file or the temp folders, so other cache items. Okay, so the other one that you can delete is that, especially if your PC is newly migrated from a lower version of your Windows operating system, there is a certain files or folder that has been used by the migration of your from lower version to higher version of your Windows. So basically, if you go to C drive, so if you go to your C drive, so there is a file that calls windows.old. If you have that files in windows.old, then you can delete that files because it's not being used anymore by your operating system. So you can delete that files, the Windows old, or there are some other cache items also that is located in this folder. So just click Windows and then go to software distribution, and then go to download. So basically these files are the files that comes from your Windows update. So I think this is one also what we call the self-maintaining folder, wherein it will automatically be deleted by the system in a certain period of time or in a certain limitations or allocated space. So but like what I've said, if you are having problem with the performance of your PC, so you can do the manual deletion of these other cache items belongs to the download. So most of these informations are the informations about the Windows update of your Windows operating system. So again, if you want to delete it, just click select all and then click delete, permanently delete, and then you ask for confirmation, and then just click continue. So it will automatically delete some of these items. Okay, just escape, or do this for all the current items. So just click everything, and then it will continue for the deletion of those other files that belongs to this folder. Okay, so once it's done, just click and then close this item. So those are the other cache items that if you have some issue with the performance of your PC, then you can do all those clearing of cache, other cache items in your PC that resulted in the slowness of your PC. So once you've done those other cache items that we had just been done, then it will improve the performance of your PC. Another way, in order to improve your the performance of your PC is to turn off some of the applications that during the startup of your PC it will automatically run in the background. So these are the applications that once you start your PC it will automatically run, but then this some of these applications might not be needed during the day-to-day operation. So you might try to turn off some of this application. They call it the startup application, so you might just turn off some of these applications. So to turn off this some of this startup application, just go to search bar and then type startup. So go to this startups system settings. So in my case, so this is the description. So apps can be configured to start when you log in. In most cases, apps will start, minimize, or may only start at the background task. So basically those turn on is that the applications, once I turn on my laptop, it will automatically run, but sometimes I don't use those applications, so I might turn them off, and once I want to use it, I will just click the application, and then it will automatically, or it will manually start the application. So basically some of these applications that I don't need anymore during the startup, but it runs because I turned it on. So you can just turn this off in order to improve the performance of your PC. So one of these, I might turn off this Microsoft OneDrive, and then I might turn off this Microsoft Teams also, because sometimes I don't use this Microsoft Teams. And then Skype, I turn it off already. So Cortana, I turn it off already. So basically those are the applications that I don't need. During the day-to-day of my operations, but basically I can turn it on manually when I want to use it. So this is the other way to improve the performance of your PC also. Okay, so I think we are done with the deletion or clearing of the other cast items, and then we also do the turning off of the other applications during the startup of your PC. So I hope this will improve the performance of your PC by doing those clearing of the other cast items that we just do the tutorial for this deletion or clearing the other cast items in order to improve the performance of your PC. So if you like this video, again, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it helps the performance of your PC once you've done this clearing of the other cast items. So if you have some questions, just put it in the comment section. Just message me in the comment section, and I will do my best to read some of this suggestion or question regarding this tutorial on how to improve the performance of your PC. Again, this is Roland of Rolweng YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you are still new to my channel, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be updated on my upcoming videos. Again, I have a website also. This is www.rolweng.com. So some of my videos are already posted in that website. So if you have time, just go to my website at www.rolweng.com. Again, thank you very much for watching this video. Again, bye-bye and God bless. Have a good day.